12. So, read the following sentences from the lesson. It was a Sunday morning. See, here there is an example. It was a Sunday morning. So, have they given question mark or full stop? There is a full point there. That is full stop. The sentence is not continued. It was a Sunday morning. I have my pencil. This sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So in English, whenever you start the sentence, the starting letter should be written in capital letter. Now, my name is. This is a starting letter. So this has to be written in a capital letter. Most of you just write mine. You all start with the small letters. It is wrong. You have to start the letter with the capital letter while writing the sentence. When you start writing the sentence, when you start writing a paragraph, you have to write with the start with the capital letter. So, and whenever in between the sentences you get the name of days. There is Delhi. We had been to Delhi. So here Delhi is a name of place, and what you children do is you write even the name of places, name of persons with the small letters. No, as it is a noun. It is a noun. The noun. So you have to write the place's name also in the capital, even a person's name in the capital, whether it occurs in the starting part of the sentence or it comes in between the sentence. Some letters are to be written in a capital as a name of a person, name of an animal, name of a place. They have to be written in a capital letter only. You should cultivate this habit. Most of the children are writing in the wrong way. So don't do that. Even if you see the textbook, how they have written, you should learn to write the same way. Then only you will come to know where the capital letter is written, where the small letter is used. Okay? So this is the punctuation part. So where is Delhi? Do you give a full stop or question mark? Where is Delhi? You have to put a question mark when there is a questioning word like where, what, when, how, are these, are those. So you have to punctuate with the question mark. This sentence begins with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. See, this letter starts with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. How do you know, mummy? See, I just told you. Where is Delhi? W is written with the capital letter and ends with the capital letter D, that is name of a place. So it is the capital of India, Delhi. So D is written in a capital letter and punctuated with the question mark. With the question mark. This sentence asks a question. It ends with the question mark. And it is questioning you. It ends up with the question mark only. So even you have to practice the sentences in the same manner. This sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. Hello, I am a rooster. I is always written as a capital letter. I have told most of the children, whenever even I comes in between the sentence, I must be in a capital letter itself. It has its own place. I is always written as a capital. Every sentence always begins with a capital letter. Sentences can end with a full stop or question mark. The word I is always written as a capital letter. Here you have some exercise part. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters, full stops and question marks at the correct places. So here I like apples. So I have written already here. So in the same manner, you too write at your home with the punctuation marks, and where the capital letter is necessary, write the letter in the capital letter. So for today's class, you have learnt about the sound of C and about punctuation. So